Alright, thank you friends. Thank you for watching. This is Brighter Praise. I know you have enjoyed what I played and you want to like it and you want to play it. And I know you want to play what I just did now. So what I did is like this. First of all, I created a beat, but please don't fail to subscribe and share this video. What I did first is I have already created a beat. So I play the beat. This is the beat now I'm playing. You can hear the beat now playing. So that is the beat. So now the next thing I did is now I did something like this. So I did something like this. I'll do something like this. Welcome, sir. Welcome. So I was just using the relative to do the freestyle. So mainly everything I'm doing is just on the relative. Now read him now. So you can see what I'm doing now. Just this one is the rhythm. I did something like this. Now, no, the bass now, just something like this, like this. So I will now, this is me, this is my me now. So I will tap it something like this. So this is just what I just did. So this, they call this one Highlife. You understand? Igbo Highlife tune and beat. So I know you can learn one or two things from here now. So I'm playing something like this. I put the minor. So thank you for watching. Please don't fail to share this video and subscribe to this channel. God bless you.